Kayden and I'm here with Monster Cookie Dough Slime. It smells just like cookie dough and it has the most beautiful blue color ever. It is a cloud cream slime and it has little chocolate chips in it. So cute. Cookie charms. So with these cookie charms and sprinkles. Thanks for watching. Bye!